If you're craving pizza but don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this quick air fryer veggie pizza is the perfect recipe. It's crispy, cheesy and ready in just a few minutes. To start, I sliced one red bell pepper into thin rings and cut one onion into strips. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Then I sprinkled a generous handful of shredded cheese over the tortilla and topped it with a second tortilla. For the sauce, I mixed together ketchup with a pinch of dried basil and oregano. I spread this mixture evenly over the top tortilla, making sure to cover the entire surface. Then I added another layer of shredded cheese. Once the cheese was on, I arranged the sliced red bell pepper on top, followed by the onion strips. To finish, I sprinkled a little extra oregano over everything for even more flavor. Now it's ready for the air fryer. Cook it at 180 degrees for 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the tortilla is perfectly golden and crispy around the edges. And that's it! In just a few minutes, you have a delicious homemade veggie pizza that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or a quick snack. It's simple, budget-friendly, and easy to customize with your favorite toppings. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what toppings you'd add to your air fryer pizza.